Consolidated XL, a cloud-based Excel add-in for Office 365, which hotlinks your online chart of accounts to a single Excel cell or spill a whole section into Excel, such as sales, current assets, bank account current balance, whole income statement or balance sheet into your Excel sheet, plus age debt and forecast payments for cash flow analysis. And the analysis can be optionally broken down into cost centers, all figures quickly accessed by year, period number, month, week, or quarters, all in the blink of an eye. With over 15 built-in wizards to quickly create a variety of reports, enabling you to produce your own bespoke financial analysis very quickly using your Excel skills, which is refreshed within seconds when you open your Excel spreadsheet to give you the latest financial position. To drill down, click on See Excel values in the sheet to view transactions and view quick charts to quickly visualize the data and trend analysis. Copy and paste the graph into an email, then quickly send it to the client or boss for discussion. Use Excel to pull in other data and customize to build your own bespoke financial dashboard. To see the overall current financial position of one or more companies within seconds. See the video description to get started and a link to a more in-depth 15-minute demo and online training.